How to log in ABN AMRO online banking. So you have the option to do this in your preferred browsers, of course, since there is a website version. You can log in there if you want by searching up ABN AMRO. Their official website should pop out, but it's definitely much safer to do it in the app itself, since you won't be able to see other fake apps for ABN AMRO. So go to your Play Store or whatever you get to download your apps. So you search for ABN AMRO, of course, and once you enter ABN AMRO, you'll be able to get the app itself. So you can log in with 3 easy steps. So first is to open the ABN AMRO app. You can download this in your Play Store. So you can tap on the icon on the top left corner. That's how you will scan the code, since you're gonna need that. The QR code won't work if you're scanning it with your device's built-in camera as well. So the next step is to aim your phone or tablet at the QR code on the internet banking login screen. So you could go ahead to use another device to open this up, and the code will be scanned. The ABN AMRO app will then show a message that you are logging into the internet banking. So you're gonna have to tap on continue. Once you do that, you're gonna have to type in your 5-digit identification code that you will get from them, and you will now be logged in to your internet banking and no longer need your phone or tablet. But that is pretty much the process on logging in to your ABN AMRO. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.